Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be reviewing something a little strange, a vacuum attachment. So when I first saw this I was like, interesting, because we do a lot of cleaning and I thought this could be a pretty useful tool maybe. So let's check it out. So mine came here in a plastic bag. Let's go ahead and rip it open here. And this is what it looks like. So essentially it's just an attachment with a bunch of little straws at the end of it. It literally looks like straws, guys. They're pretty thick straws. They're not like weak. They're pretty strong. Anyways, and they all go into this housing here, which then goes, to a couple adapters here. So I think this, there's an adapter here. So technically it should fit into different kind of vacuums. And then actually this piece here also comes off. So here you just got a hole, so technically you could fit this into somewhere. And this is just a hard plastic here. So honestly, I already see a problem, and that is this coming off because it's barely holding in there. Because when I'm going to be using it, it literally just falls out. Alright guys, so let's see what we can use this for. I totally see this being used for like crevices or like air conditioning vents, bifold doors with a shutter style, or anything that has crevices in it. Alright guys, so we're going to be using a Shark Speed Duo here, and this is the kind of connection we have. So technically, if we take our tool here, alright, so the blue connector is exactly the correct thing, I think. Alright, looks good. So let's go see if we can vacuum something. Alright guys, so the first thing we got here is bifold door. So we have all these little panels here, and you get dirt stuck in between them all the time. So this actually is a great tool for that. Alright guys, so here we have a window seal, and in between the windows there's also a lot of cracks and stuff that's sometimes hard to get to, especially in between here. So we can use this thing for here too. Technically you could clean your screen. It's doing that alright too. So yeah, because you got a really strong section here right at the end, you have pretty powerful vacuum. So you're able to have a lot better chance of getting something in between cracks with this tool instead of just being a normal like this, because your vacuum is being lost over a big area. But like this, it's concentrated on a very small area in these straws. Alright, so here we have a sliding door, and this thing gets really dirty in the tracks all the time. So this should work pretty good for it. Because the tracks have humps, it's really hard to get in between all these crevices and cracks. So this should do very well. As you guys can see, it picked up that little rock right there real easily and just fell. So obviously you're not going to fit everything through here, but all the little stuff like sand and stuff will go through there really easy. Mostly what this made is for is like dust and sand and little particles. Alright guys, so I can totally think of a bunch of things I can do with this tool. Another thing that comes to mind is automotive purposes. So in between vents and in between seats and whatnot else, this probably would do very well. So AC vents, obviously, air conditioning, those collect a lot of dust, and this will do the trick for sure. Alright guys, so that's the crevice vacuuming little tool. So if you don't want to buy this for whatever reason, I do have a little DIY. See these things? If you have kids, you probably have. These are a little balloon where you just connect the hose to it and it pumps the water balloons and they pop out. And this is what they look like when they're gone. And so I kind of looked at this and said, hold on a second. There's something similar to these two. Why not just take this and use it as this? The straws are a bit smaller, but technically it does the same thing. So I'm just going to pull this out and then grab my water balloon thingamajiggers and just push them right in there. And there you go guys, we have the tool. So obviously you still need this piece, but even if you got rid of that, you could somehow, still adapt this to here. And there we go, it even fits right in there. So thought I'd share this little DIY hack. Alright guys, so hopefully you enjoyed this video. I can definitely see this being useful. especially for dust. So yeah, if you want to get this thing, we got this on Amazon. I will leave a link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more videos and you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And as always guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.